Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to recover deleted emails from Gmail. Now this is a method that we are going to try in order for us to figure this out. So the first thing that we're going to do is head over to more right here and you have trash here. So if you have not permanently deleted it, you should be able to see it. If, for example, the message that you have deleted is no longer here, then what you're going to do is head over to google.com and here go ahead and type Gmail emails missing. All right, there you go. Click this one right here. And then what you're going to do is check here which device you're using. So in my case, I'm computer. So once you have clicked on computer, I want you to scroll down here and choose delete or recover Gmail messages. And then scroll down once again. Go ahead and click this one right here, recover your messages. So what it's going to do is it's going to try to recover emails that were deleted within the last 30 days. If it is beyond that 30 days, most likely we won't be able to recover that one. Now, if you are seeing something like this, most likely you won't be able to recover that email, but basically we tried and most of the time you should be able to get this something back. In my case, this is a new email that I created, which is probably explain why we are not getting any. And yeah, everybody, that is how you're going to recover deleted emails from Gmail.